Is it still what are you doing?
Are you making it so Claire can appreciate?
Clay, let it start beeping. Trying to get a video of this. This is our Sunday morning. It's all because of the fire. We were taking apart the drawer thing, and we put it in the fire.
Alright, that's it.
There is a grown-up around, though. That's the good news.
Whoa,
Oh my
that
God.
didn't work.
You don't necessarily have to put this on Facebook.
I wonder if we'll ever get this over.
Oh no, don't do that. No, that's a bad idea. No, get down. Get down. We have to put that back up.
So cold. We even opened the door and the window.
Get down, please, Clay. Get down. I want to get down.
That's it.
Sunday mornings. Even a window.
Wow, it's really loud when you're right up here.
Yeah.
Are you still videoing it?
Yeah. Where's the other folder? Oh, Jesus.
I got it. The fire's back in. Oh, Mom, I have to play
Wow,
with
it's
today.
really smoky in the whole entire place.
The smoke.
Alright, well, I'll keep you posted and call back later when or start the later. Bye.